Today we're going to be announcing the winner of the Hi-Fi wireless Bluetooth speaker from Morel. Alright, because it's December, we're going to take a look at some gifts they'll love from the Parts Express 2024 gift guide. Right from the start, gifts anyone would love. Obviously, a pair of Audio-Technica Bluetooth headphones. Maybe the Dayton Audio Classic B65 bookshelf speakers. They're new and available now. Of course, you could go for the Yamaha stereo receiver. But if you are on a budget, that's what's good about gifts under 100, gifts under 50, or gifts under 20. You can maybe pick up a Dayton Audio Boost mini portable Bluetooth speaker. Or if you're wanting to spend a little bit extra, you could opt for the Lepi Bluetooth Mini Class D stereo amplifier. That being said, if your family does stocking stuffers, we have small items available as well. Remember, with any of these, you can click on Shop Now or Shop Stocking Stuffers for the category that you're looking at, and it will take you right to a bunch more of these particular types of items. Don't forget, if it gets hard, you can always just pick them up a gift certificate. That's where you can get it right here. We've got gifts for your speaker builder. We've got gifts for the music lover. We've even got gifts for people who like to tinker with electronics. Things like solder stations and amplifier boards that they can install into their projects. Even car audio enthusiasts have a place because you can get all of your replacement speakers or even a digital signal processor, which allows you to really dial in the tone that you're looking for inside of your vehicle. Now these gifts are really going to bring the family together. Speaker kits that have all of the components you need to build a pair of speakers. We have lots of options from beginner to expert, but no matter which way you go, everyone's going to have a great time. As we move on, these are handpicked by our technical staff. We've got highly rated and highly reviewed products. And of course, the most desired are the gifts for people who are on the top of Santa's list. There's always the outlet center, special buys, and of course our open box and restocked products. With so many products to choose from, you're sure to find a gift they'll love. Okay, so it's giveaway time, and this Bluetooth loudspeaker from Morel is going to Calvin S. from Ontario, California. Congratulations, Calvin. We'll be in touch soon. Okay, so the next giveaway we're doing is right here from Parts Express. If you want to win a $250 shopping spree, now is the time to enter. Don't forget, the link is in the description. Good luck, and we'll see you next month.